Yuntian Mould is committed to design and manufacture plastic mold. Mainly engaged in car door panel, door post, dashboard, bumper, intake grille, rear view mirror, radiator mask, interior and exterior accessory, lamp mold development and manufacture. We have CAS, CAD, CAE, CAM, CAQ. Italy Fidia High-Speed Machining Center. -1-axis large-scale processing. High-precision 3-dimensional coordinate measuring instrument. The product for all-round detection. We form alliances with Hyundai, the Great Wall, Changchun-Fang, Geely, etc., and the United States, Germany, Japan, Canada and other cooperation. Select Yuntian. Select high-quality mold.